Hi guys, now yesterday I was telling you guys about this Michaels order that I had only received this stuff so far. They had a super duper sale, they had an organizing sale, they had an after Christmas sale, and it's the first time that I ordered online. And the shipping was a little bit weird because everything was coming in dribs and drabs, but it finally got here today. And the size of the boxes over there are just ridiculous. The box the size of probably those old console TVs. But let me open this. We've got several boxes. Using my handy dandy. Okay. So over here, now I'll tell you, we've really got some good deals in here. These picks that I'm going to show you now, I believe they were $1.20. Now, these are these picks that the white couch bloggers and stuff have stuck in their trees all over. And if you don't know about the white couch bloggers, well, we'll have to get back to that at a later date. So, normally $6. Look how cute they were. And I said, these are so darling, and they were $1.20, I believe, and there might have even been something off that. They have this little gingham red bow. They have a little Santa hat. But when I saw these, I said, you know what? Even if you chopped it off the pick, it would be nice as a little decoration on something. Maybe having like another Christmas character, something holding the bear. They can be used for wreaths, they can be used in the trees like the white couch bloggers, and they can be used in a number of ways. They're really super cute, they're a really good size, and imagine, like whenever I find something $1 or near $1, I always say to myself, what would people do if they found that in a Dollar Tree? Well, they would freak their brains out. So, and I feel good. I have not been out shopping since before Christmas. So this was like my after Christmas haul. It took a long time to get in, but I've been very, very good, and I did temper myself. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, because I just think these are great for crafts, and if I want to be like a white couch blogger, who knows. 4, put them in the tree. 5, I didn't know that they stick things like this in their trees. 6, 7, and I just think they're good for so many different kinds of crafts. So I have 7 there. I thought I had 6. Did they maybe give me an extra one? These plates were so cute with this like retro Santa, and Luke's birthday, you know, is on Christmas Eve. And I thought for next year this would be really, really cute, the retro Santa for cake. So that was in that Michaels box. Okay, now we have that huge, huge Michaels box. And a lot of things, I'm trying to get some type of a craft room set up. You guys know that. So I'm getting containers and things. Okay, now I know I'm going to be amazed at many of the things that I picked up. So I picked up, because I love doing ornaments, and I know that these are in between the small size at the Dollar Tree and the large size. And these came to an incredible amount. I wish they put the prices I paid, but I'll show it to you. Oh my gosh, it was less than if I had bought at the Dollar Tree. I believe they came to, I think they were like $2, maybe less. But they're really nice, okay? And then I got this table cover. I want to use this again in my craft room when I'm doing like Christmas crafts and things, so I think it'll be a nice backdrop. This was like, I think it was like a little over $1. Okay, I'll see if I can find this. Celebrate It. And I Thought about this also for a decoupage and some of it for, you know, just regular wrapping. This is normally $5 and this came to about $1. So imagine, yeah, getting something of that quality, of that. There's a lot in there at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, would you go for it? Sure you would. Desi looks like he's skating. He's got the cap of a, it looks like, what is that? Under his foot, and he's dancing around with it. What is that? What is that? Give me that. What is it? Let me see what that is. And he knows I'm looking. He hides it under his paw. He's a very smart dog, and he's looking around like, look in the other direction. I don't have anything. No, not me. But not me. You're a wise guy. Okay. Desi, what you doing? Okay, now I know that they have these now for $3.99. I think mine came to around that as well. Maybe a little less. These are just like the ones that go in my cart. I wanted to get these for the kids' schoolwork, artwork, or something that I'm saving, or for something. I got 2 of these. Now this was a special buy. This is normally $15. I think it came to $2. I thought, wow, those are good for when you make ornaments. That's like the perfect hanging, and it's good for so many different crafts, right? Value pack ribbon, 100 yards, 2 pieces. One's like a glittery kind, and the other's the straight red. And I hate when they do not give you prices. I hate it, but I can try to find out. I'll tell you, it was incredible deals. Incredible. Okay. Ribbons that I got were between like $1 and $2. Okay. Most everything I got is between $1 and $2, except the 2 cards, which I'll show you. So I got a couple of more of these. And then, oh, they have these too. Very nice. Which I like in the smaller size, which they had in Michael's in-store, and they only had a couple of them. So I really like these. These are great for Grinches and for other things that you want to put decals on, because the flat side makes it really easy to get the label on. They're really, really good. And so again, those were like under $2, I believe. I will go through. Now this was another one of those picks. There's a little llama. Isn't he darling? And again, $1, like $1.20, regularly $6. I think I have 2 of these. But I thought also for my arrangements, the ones in those milk bottles for next year. Okay, and then some more of the flat disc ornaments and the ball ornaments. How cute, these picks, it's the deer antlers. And they had them in silver and gold. I got gold. I think I bought 2 of these. These came to like $1. Nice for a centerpiece. And then I saw these. And these are probably I would use more in autumn, I think. Maybe to, but these were, these came to like $1 too. These glittery golds. They may even be nice just to, take a leaf off or something, maybe put it on a jute twine and decorate something. Okay, I know why I had 7 bears and I wasn't sure if I had 6, or, you know, and they gave me, no, I ordered 8, and here's number 8. Okay, and then I ordered these picks, and these were normally, what are they normally? Oh, these were an incredible price. These are normally $2. I think these were like 40 cents a piece. So those would go in a lot of different crafts. So I have 2 here. I'm sorry that I'm having to run around to get the stuff, but the box is so big. Okay, so here's the other antler and set of the gold leaves. And then these, like I said, these came to like 40 cents. Okay, then the ribbons. So like I've always liked this kind of ribbon, and this is good for a lot of different crafts. There are 10 yards in here, that means 30 feet, and it was about $1 something. Normally, normally $10. So you can't go wrong with that. Nice plaids ribbons. I like to use these in designs. Again, you get 10, what are you getting, 30 feet in here, 10 yards, and $10, and they were under $2, $1 something. Here's a wider one. I love the plaids. Again, regularly $10. This is 8 yards, so you're getting 24 feet in there. And another. I believe this may even, some of them are wired. And then these were like $1 something, $1.20. And then these are wood pieces actually, and some of them look vintage. They have like the reindeer, and they have holly leaves. Here, let me see. I'm sure you can open this without, let me put them back. And they're called confetti, but these were about $1, and they're normally $5. But they're made of wood, so they're really great embellishments. So here's that type of leaf. I'll show you. You get a lot in each package. Then you have the black reindeer. You have green reindeer. You have the kind of reddish, kind of pink reindeer. And you get several of the different kinds. And then there's a lot in here for $1. You get this kind of buffalo check embellishment, and that's in this package. So lots and lots of them though. Let me see if it tells you the amount that's in here. So you get lots. That's about half of what I have on the counter. There's another half like that in those there. So there's so they get 24 pieces. Okay. Then I picked up same type of thing, but these were the snowflakes, and there's 3 or 4 different styles in there. So I picked those up. And here's another ribbon. This is more of a country crafty one. It's like a brown, almost like a burlap type with the red in it. And Desi's using this time to get himself into trouble. Okay, these are the cute little, I think of them as the Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairies. And again, these were about $1 as well. So very pretty, very pretty. I picked up 2 of the dancers. And then this, I have some of this when I made the Grinch, I think in gold, but this again is a tremendous deal. 6 yards, 18 feet, and it was like $1.20. It's great for ornament making and stuff. Look how pretty this one is. It's like candy, kind of. 6 yards. So, yeah. 18 feet. And then another one like this. Okay, and then these ornaments. Christmas 2019, you can put a picture in there. These came to like $1. Okay, then this nice plaid, again, this is regularly $10, and you're getting 8 yards here, so 24 feet. All right. I have another set of these, like I said. These nice size flat discs. I like the smaller size flat discs. These are really good. Like I made my kids some ornaments, and my daughter, the company where she works, I did the logo on it, and it was really trying to get it on the ball. Get on the ball with it, right? These are much easier for applying any type of a decal. These are so great. I probably should have gotten all those instead of balls, but I don't know. Then these in the silver, again, I'll put the prices in. This dog ornament, or yeah, Best Friends. 2019. And you put your pup's picture in there. So I picked up 2 of those. And then they have these, and these were a crazy price too, like $1. Chipboard, they say sticker, but look how thick they are. And let me see if I can take them out without. So there's a set of 2 there. And I thought even if I paint them, you could use them on the white side. You could, you know, whatever, you peel this off, but I don't mean you could paint them white, or you could leave them like they are, or you could do, I figured, I don't know. That was like something, I said, let me just try that. And then I know Lisa's talking about the decoupage, and a lot of people are maybe buying napkins. I usually use fabric, but I saw these napkins. Again, these came to about $1 for a large pack. Good quality, and I thought, well, those might be nice for decoupage, even if you use these strips here, like over a mason jar, or this could be a winter theme. That would look really nice over a white mason jar, right? And then they have these paddle wires. Look how much wire is there. And it's normally $6, and so this came to like $1.49 or something, I think it was. That's gold. And I also got red. So these are really nice, and I like that they have something you can hang them on that would look nice on a pegboard and stuff to have, which I plan to get in my craft room. And then I got the votives because I'm thinking of those houses that I made. I know I'm going to need a lot of candlelight, so I picked these up. Those are really nice, and again, these were about $1. Let's see. Here's my other llama. He's got some glitter on him. Got glitter and stuff. I got to clean him off, but come here, buddy. Got a lot of glitter. A lot of glitter. And what else we have, Desi? I'm going to put you in here if you're not good. I'm going to put you in this big box. Oh my gosh, I'm like freaking out to get in it. Okay. So then, watch out, this. Watch out, this. Okay. So I have another one of these scrap containers, scrap 12 by 12s, and then the wood chips, confetti or embellishments, and the poinsettia. They come in different colors. Some have glitter on them, and again, 24 pieces in here. This is about $1. And then another one of these ribbons. Okay, and then that's it for the doodads. But then I got carts. I picked up that mint cart. The one like Lisa has in yellow. So it's this, oh boy, let me see. I think I'm just gonna have to take my camera off and show you. Hang on. I got this card, and I'll show it to you when it's all put together. And that came to like $23.99, normally $50. This one right here, and I will show that to you when I get it together. Yeah, in a lot of ways. And now my phone's ringing. I'll talk to you guys later, but that's about my Michael's haul. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.